Bon dia, Catalunya! Són les 7 del matí, porto una hora desperta perquè m'he dutxat i he fet el dinar i tal, i avui ens anem a Trip Around Denmark, que l'organitza els d'intercanvi de la universitat, i a veure què és el que...
I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, cause I'm begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby.
Vols presentar el vídeo? On som?
Estem a Aarhus.
I què hi ha aquí?
Doncs un montón de penya mirant cotxes de guapos.
I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know won't even.
Tinc que dir que feia dies que no sortia el sol.
And I never dance to be my soul. Why we're chilling, why we're chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it, why the feel for the need to replace me. You're the wrong way, trying to get. I went up in the feature town where we could be at. Like a heart in the best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you take the pay. But I keep walking on, keep opening the door, keep open for. Then the door is yours, keep also home. Cause I'm the one that live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, I'm begging you. To put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging to put your love in the hand now, darling.
Me dijo Charlotte que siempre te burlas. Ay.
Hola. Bon dia, bon dissabte. Estem a Skagen, que és com el poble més al nord de Dinamarca. I ja està, i ara estem aquí per dinar. Ella, youtuber. Hola.
Soy Juan.
I keep a lot of secrets to myself. My parents think I'm honest, not like everyone else. Like they could catch me in a lie, they say they're able to tell. But I'm partying with my friends at some random hotel. And I'm sneaking out the window on a Sunday night. I do it on a Friday, but that's obvious. I don't wanna lose my trust, but I do it so well. Cause I'm partying with my friends at some random hotel. Down in it, been in it. Yeah, it's a little fun, stupid and like really dumb. Perhaps 6 pieces of gum before I get home, cause we do it so well. Yeah, I know they'll never tell. Then we're driving a little fast, pieces wasting my gas. Eating pasta in the back, spilling our minds out. Wish our secrets farewell. They stay in this random hotel, screaming our songs like there's nobody there. We're 17 and idiots who play truth or dare. One day I'll write a story that I'll sit on a shelf about me partying with my friends at some random hotel. And I'm sneaking out the window on a Sunday night. I do it on a Friday, but that's obvious. I don't wanna lose my trust, but I do it so well. Cause I'm partying with my friends at some random hotel.
Estem a una disco i sona música danesa molt.
Pas på den knald, røde gummibåd, for den gummibåd, der er noget for sig. Pas på den knald, røde gummibåd, for den gummibåd, kun for ham og mig. Modig og
stolt som Christopher Columbus, styrer Hans Peter sin båd. Og fra hans plads i den nymoden skumbus lyder der følgende råd: lad være med at kysse kaptajnen, om så det er aldrig så sundt. Og gør man det alligevel, så vender båden rundt. Knald, 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 knald,
Legoland was terrible. I will never come back.
Okay, I will put like subtitles in Catalan saying like it's the best